How to embed a video on Shopify product pages. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can embed product videos on Shopify product. So let's get into it. Now, you might be wondering before I get into actually showing you guys how to embed a video, what is the reason of embedding videos onto product pages? So why wouldn't you just add media and add the video directly? Why would you directly embed the video? Well, there are a couple of reasons. First off, if you use this method, you can embed like reviews. So, let's say if someone reviewed the product that you have, then you can embed a review onto your product page so people have a better understanding of what your product really is like. If someone has made like a detailed analysis of the product, then the customer can also view that with the embedded video, and then they can also see the legitimacy of the product. They don't have to worry about anything regarding that situation. So that is why sometimes it may be essential to embed videos on Shopify product pages. So there are a couple of other reasons as well. Some creators or some sellers have their entire catalogs uploaded with details on YouTube channels. So people also like to view detailed videos of the product and detailed views of the product, how the product feels, how the product is going to look like in different lighting situations. So all of these details are better explained in a singular YouTube video, and you can also be making money with the videos that you create. So not only are you going to be making money on the sale of the product, but you can also make money on the actual views that you get on the YouTube videos. So that is why you can add product videos on YouTube or any other platform and then embed them onto your Shopify store. So how do you actually embed videos on a Shopify store? Well, first off, you're just going to log into your Shopify store. This is my Shopify store. And what you're going to do is you're going to go into your product section, and I have this product, but I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to click on add product over here. And I'm just going to create a sample video and show you guys how to add an actual embedded YouTube video. So I'm going to make it camera planner, and I'm going to add XYZ description, or there are two ways. You can add the product right after the title, or you can add it at the bottom of the description. So I'm going to add the description first. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into return, and this is where you're actually going to add your embedded video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto YouTube, and you're going to take whatever YouTube video you want to embed onto your product section. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on share over here, and you're going to click on embed. And what you're going to do is you're just going to copy all of this text like this, copy it, and then you can also select this option as well to start at 3 seconds, but we're just going to copy it, and you can also enable privacy enhanced mode if you want. But once you do that, you're just going to go back into your Shopify store and your Shopify description, and you're just going to paste it over here. And after that, you're going to scroll down, and you can add media files or like pictures of the product that you're selling. You're going to add the price of the product, and then if you want, you can add like cost per item just to calculate your sales. Now, you're just going to click on save over here. And once you have clicked on save, your planner is ready. So I'm going to go back into my product section, and I'm going to add some stock over here because it is currently empty. So I'm going to add some stock, and I'm going to save this. Now I'm going to go back into my product section, and now if I click on my online store and view the online store, if I go into my catalog, currently it hasn't been updated, so we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for our product to be updated onto the website. So if you skipped that step previously, I'm going to show you guys again. Go into your product, so our Canva planner, and you don't want to add the code just like that. What you're going to do is you're going to click on embed show HTML over here, and then you're going to paste the code, and then you're going to click on save. So now our actual code is going to be a functioning code. So once you have a functioning code, you're going to go back into your product section, and then you can click on preview and online store. So now you can see over here that we have our cute little product video embedded over here. So you can do this with as many products as you can, and you can do this above the description right after the title and image of the product. A great way to actually do it is to add a video at the bottom where someone has reviewed the product. If someone has already made a review about your product and talked about it, you can add that, and that usually it really does legitimize your product and increase your conversion rate if there is like a legitimate review of the product that you are selling. Now, With Shopify, there are so many other features that you can play with embedding media. If you go into your product section and if you click on your product, you can see over here that you have a lot of stuff that you can do. Now you can add videos, you can insert images, you can insert links as well, and then you have different bullet and outdent and indents you can create to create a different style of product. And this is really good to really diversify your portfolio and diversify how your store looks like, just so it doesn't seem like just another Shopify store. It seems like a very customized and very hand tailored store. So, for that look, it's very essential that you are doing as much as you can to make sure that your Shopify store looks as good as you can possibly make it, because how your Shopify store is going to look like is going to really give a effect on the people buying your products, that if this is a legitimate website or not, if they should buy the product or not. So you want to make sure like this is like a very blank site that I have created over here, that your website is not blank. It has like details, it has a lot of information, and it has a good enough storefront, because their storefront really does matter. It gives the first impression to your customers. Now, although Shopify is a great e-commerce platform, it is not available for free, so you can get a 14-day free trial, but after that, you're going to have to subscribe to one of their premium plans. Now, Shopify starts at $29 per month, where you can add 2 staff members and use up to 4 locations, and you have a transaction fee for 2% for all payment provider and a conversion fee of 2% as well. Now, other than that, you have the basic plan of Shopify, which starts at $79 per month with up to 5 staff members, 5 locations, fraud analysis, professional reports, and 1% transactional fees for all payment providers. So you're going to be saving 1%, and these little percentages really do make a difference. Now, after that, you have your advanced Shopify plan with up to 15 staff members that you can add professional reports, report builders, international pricing and duties and import taxes. You also only get a 0.5% transactional fee on all of your payment providers. So you're going to be getting a lower transaction fee for the better plan that you have. But I think for most people, the basic Shopify plan is more than enough to get your e-commerce store up and running in a very professional manner. And you're now able to embed videos in your Shopify products. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.